3 faxes. Ambulances 9. Mobiles plus fax machines 12. Toilets 68. Patients in OPD 149,347. Patients seen by mobile teams 56,391. Total patients seen 205,738. Patients admitted 7,287. Mobile teams 542. During the relief operations, numerous miracles of the power and supremacy of Allah over His creatures were seen. Naqsha Bibi, a woman from Kamsar refugee camp near Muzaffarabad, was recovered from the debris of her house where she remained buried for 63 days. She was admitted to the ICU of Bima Field Hospital, Muzaffarabad, and was later shifted to PIMS, Islamabad, and is being treated by Professor Dr. Muhammad Tariq, Central President of Bima, and his team, where she is recovering fast, Alhamdulillah. Partners for FEMA: Islamic Medical Associations, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, orthopedic surgeon plus $40,000 plus medicines. South Africa team of surgeons plus relief goods. North America APNA, cash $50,000 plus equipment worth $100,000. Bangladesh, cash plus 2 surgeons. Malaysia, surgeons. Singapore, 60 personnel plus relief worth $150,000. The emergency treatment of trauma patients in far-flung villages and their transportation to field hospitals was a big challenge. Bima accepted this challenge and sent more than 500 mobile medical teams to the remote and inaccessible villages high up in the mountains. Where roads were open, Bima's doctors and paramedics reached affected towns and villages through jeeps and ambulances. And in areas rendered inaccessible after the earthquake, the teams trekked for several hours to provide healthcare and food to the victims. Pakistan Army, through its helicopters, also provided assistance to Bima's medical missions to reach far-flung mountainous villages. Bima's mobile medical teams treated more than 52,000 patients in the unreachable affected villages situated in high mountain valleys. Several patients were transported to the field hospitals for tertiary care. Bima's efforts were recognized worldwide. Medical teams from 20 countries worked day and night with Bima's volunteers, and more than 50 international relief agencies coordinated with Bima to provide services in the affected region.
And we feel very confident that this hospital which Bima has set up and which the Singapore team has been working in for some time now will be very well established and will function very efficiently even after we and other foreign medical teams leave the country. We have every confidence that you will be able to cope from here on, as we can see that you have improved the facilities tremendously over the last few weeks. The Singapore teams have been very honored to have participated not only in this facility at the Bima Hospital.
Doctors of Federation of Islamic Medical Association, FEMA, also volunteered their services at Bima's field hospitals. Alhamdulillah, both UNO and Pakistan Army recognized Bima's medical relief operations as the most organized and effective among all other government and non-government relief agencies. Bima has also taken steps to provide psychiatric healthcare services to the earthquake victims and has encouraged them towards religion and positive behavior. Bima is chalking out a comprehensive plan for this purpose. As the extreme cold weather unleashed its fierceness in the quake-hit region, Bima decided to shift the field hospitals from tents to containers so that the relief activities could run unhindered by the rain and snowfall, as these field hospitals were the only source of respite for the sick and injured of the area. Acknowledging the services of Bima's Balakot Field Hospital, the Citizens Foundation Karachi donated 10 containers for the purpose. Al Khidmat Welfare Society Karachi donated 2 containers which were converted into ICUs. The field hospitals at Muzaffarabad and Bagh have also been shifted into containers through the help of various local and overseas Pakistani philanthropists and members of PIMA. To run the administrative matters of the field hospitals in a better and effective manner and provide uninterrupted human and logistic support to them, Pakistan Islamic Medical Association has assigned the responsibility of Muzaffarabad Field Hospital to PIMA Punjab, Bagh Hospital to PIMA Sindh, and Balakot Hospital to PIMA NWFB. In Muzaffarabad, where buildings of almost all government hospitals were ruined, PIMA's years-old Kashmir Surgical Hospital was also destroyed, which was built to cater to the healthcare needs of the refugees from occupied Kashmir. Another under-construction medical facility in Jhelum Valley, run by PIMA, Al Khidmat Al Hajri Hospital, was also badly damaged, and one of its 2 blocks was buried underground. Miraculously, the rest of the hospital building received minor damage, which was declared safe for work by local and foreign engineers after examination. PIMA decided to repair and renovate the safe block of Al Khidmat Al Hajri Hospital and equip it with latest medical facilities in order to cater to the healthcare needs of the people living in Muzaffarabad and nearby villages. Alhamdulillah, work on the 60-bed hospital has started under the supervision of qualified engineers, and soon it will be formally inaugurated. The total cost of this hospital's repair, renovation, furniture and medical equipment has been estimated at 50 million rupees. The field hospital at Bela Noor Shah, Muzaffarabad, will continue to work with this hospital. The governments of Azad Kashmir and NWFP, political and religious parties, non-government organizations and WHO have praised the medical relief services of PIMA in the affected region. WHO also provided vaccines and life-saving drugs to PIMA's field hospitals. PIMA's relief activities are on full swing in the areas affected by 8th October earthquake, and PIMA's field hospitals are providing round-the-clock free healthcare services to the victims. Whereas the mobile medical teams are reaching the far-flung villages scattered in the mountainous region, despite severe cold and snowfall, to save the vulnerable and homeless inhabitants from diseases. It is our commitment that through our field hospitals at Muzaffarabad, Bagh and Balakot, we will continue to provide our services till the complete rehabilitation and reconstruction of the affected areas and revival of the healthcare infrastructure, and Al Khidmat Al Hajri Hospital in Muzaffarabad will become a constant source of quality medical services for the populace of Muzaffarabad and adjoining areas, and also the refugees from occupied Kashmir. You can also join hands with us in our journey of humanitarian relief and service.